By harnessing the unbounded possibilities for learning via the Internet, we have moved firmly away from a scattergun approach to CAD education to a platform where students can proactively select the specific areas of instruction they need. And do so, at any time, anywhere, using a range of devices. It's an agile approach to CAD education in terms of offering what's right for each user and organization, with the focus on teaching the most pressing essentials of a student's everyday use of CAD, while also helping them gradually and seamlessly adapt to the next level of required technology readiness. In other words, it's personalized education that evolves with, and for each student. From beginning CAD instruction featuring an introduction to basics of the user interface, the nature of digital organization and manipulation, importance of fit and form, and the rules and properties of elementary 2D construction techniques, with an emphasis on underlying concepts that promote deeper understanding and enhanced recall. To promote these intentions, we encourage starting with well-defined, self-contained tasks, which can be solved with few operations, within a short time, tailored and paced to individual requirements and skill levels. Always, allotting ample time for practice and reflection, with the mastery of such fundamentals providing the stepping stones to more advanced training modules, which offer instruction in areas ranging from the utilization of Cartesian, polar, and auxiliary coordinate systems and feature-based modeling incorporating chamfers, blends, and bosses, as well as working with parameter-driven objects, recognition of different surface structures and bodies, and a basic knowledge of Bezier and B-spline curves, objects which can be generated by classical transformations, revolution, screwing, scaling, extrusions, sweeps, correct use of trimming and splitting techniques, basic knowledge of free-form surfaces, building with primitives, slab, sphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid and torus, changing the shapes of primitives by applying Boolean operations, applying spatial transformations, translation, rotation, mirroring and scaling. Topics are presented by design and fabrication veterans in the context of one-to-one instruction, where lesson content, method of delivery and pace of learning are driven by the abilities and interest of each individual student. Throughout instruction, ample time is allotted for learners to take the driver's seat and perform the functions being addressed under varying scenarios. By moving beyond theory into the realm of learning by doing, students gain first-hand experience by practicing what has been taught, applying concepts and guidelines to hands-on, minds-on tasks with real results, with one-to-one guidance providing the learner with timely feedback, paced to allow reflection about what to tweak and repeat or what to change altogether, turning learning into a dialogue instead of a one-way conversation, making students participants in, rather than spectators of the learning process, translating into more opportunity to engage in real communications, which plays a critical role in constructing meaning from information. Each topic is delivered with an emphasis on attaining a substantial depth of understanding, wherein students are asked to demonstrate what they have learned by exhibiting the ability to think critically about related problem solving, hypothesis development and pattern recognition. Students who are struggling in a particular area can take the time and are presented with needed adaptations in instruction material and given the guidance required to master challenging concepts. With one-to-one instruction, students are never put in the uncomfortable position of being the one that everyone else is waiting for, nor subjected to only superficial coverage of facts before moving on to the next subject. It's a significant departure from the one-size-fits-all approach of traditional classroom instruction, and learn fast video tutorials that often provide only in one ear and out the other results. All of our CAD instruction modules from basics to solids are designed to allow students to link new knowledge to existing information in a way that makes sense to the learner, and to organize knowledge in a way that's relevant and worth remembering. offering learners an opportunity to think on their own and apply newly gained knowledge to the refinement of skills needed to secure and maintain meaningful employment. Scheduling is flexible, day or evening, and is administered in half-hour blocks. Students hold the stopwatch in terms of duration and pace, allowing learning to coincide with peak energy, typically leading to greater comprehension and retention. All from the convenience of your own desktop.